Welcome to this great workshop on communication etiquette. We believe we interact with guests, it is important we make them feel welcome. As many of you know, we have received award for excellence in the customer service for the fifth straight year. After this training session, you will see why. So, for the next few days, we will be practicing their interaction with each other in role-playing exercise. Although all of you are new here, we all should have customer service experience, so this shouldn't be too unfamiliar. Now, why don't we start with our first session of the email etiquette? The second. Welcome to this workshop of communication ethics. We believe whenever we interact with guests, it is important to make them feel welcome. As many of you know, we have received award for excellence in customer service for fifth straight years. After this training session, you see why. So for the next few days, we will be practicing their interaction with each other in role-playing exercise. Although all of you are new here, you also have customer service experience, so this shouldn't be too unfamiliar. Now, why don't we start with our first session on email etiquette? The third. Welcome to this quick workshop on communication ethics. We believe whenever we interact with guests, it's important to make them feel welcome. As many of you know, we have received a report for excellence in customer service for the first 10 years. After this training session, you see why. So for the next few days, we will be practicing their interaction with each other in role-playing exercise. Although all of you are new here, you should have customer service experience, so this shouldn't be too unfamiliar. Now, why don't we start with our first session in the email instead? For welcome to this quick workshop on communication ethics. We believe whenever we interact with guests, it's important to make them feel welcome. As many of you know, we have received an award for excellence in the customer service for the fifth straight year. After this training session, you will see why. So for the next few days, we will be practicing their interaction for each other in role-playing exercise. Although all of you are new here, you should have customer service experience, so this shouldn't be too unfamiliar. Now, why don't we start with our first session in the email ethics? First, welcome to this quick workshop on communication ethics. We believe whenever we interact with guests, it's important to make them feel welcome. As many of you know, we have received an award for excellence in the customer service for the fifth straight year. After this training session, we will finish twice. So for the interaction with each other in the role-playing exercise, I know all of you are new here. You should have customer service experience, so this shouldn't be too unfamiliar. Now why don't we start with our first session on email etiquette.